Hello. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on the global economy, leading to widespread job losses, business closures, and market volatility. The economic state of 2022 and 2023 is uncertain, but many experts predict that it will continue to be affected by the ongoing pandemic and its aftermath. The economic impact of the pandemic has been felt in many industries, with the service sector, hospitality, and tourism being hit particularly hard. Many businesses have been forced to close or reduce operations, leading to widespread job losses and reduced income for many individuals and families. The unemployment rate has risen, and many people have found themselves struggling to make ends meet. In addition to the economic impact, the pandemic has also had a significant impact on the stock market. The volatility of the market has made it difficult for investors to make informed decisions, and many have seen their portfolios take a significant hit. This has led to increased anxiety and uncertainty among investors, and many have been looking for ways to protect their money and plan for the future. To protect your money and plan for the future, there are several steps you can take. One of the most important is to diversify your investments, so that you are not overly reliant on any one stock or sector. This can be done by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate, as well as other assets such as gold and other precious metals. Another important step is to have an emergency fund in place, so that you have cash on hand to cover unexpected expenses. This can be done by setting aside a portion of your income each month and putting it into a savings account or other high-yield savings vehicle. In addition to protecting your money, you should also consider what steps you can take to improve your financial situation. One way to do this is to take advantage of low interest rates and refinance your mortgage or other loans. This can help you to lower your monthly payments and free up more money for other expenses. Another way to improve your financial situation is to invest in your education. Investing in your education can help you to improve your skills and qualifications, which can in turn help you to secure a better paying job or start your own business. Finally, it's important to take steps to reduce your debt. This can be done by creating a budget and sticking to it, as well as by paying off your credit card balances each month. In summary, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the global economy, and the economic state of 2022 and 2023 is uncertain. To protect your money and plan for the future, it's important to diversify your investments, have an emergency fund in place, consider low. Another important tip is to stay informed about the current economic situation, both in your local area and globally. This can be done by reading financial news, following experts in the field, and attending webinars or other educational events. Consider alternative investments such as real estate, private equity, or venture capital. These types of investments can offer higher returns but also come with higher risks. Invest in yourself and your professional development. This can help you to secure a better paying job, increase your income, and improve your overall financial situation. Develop a long-term financial plan. Think about your retirement and put a plan in place to achieve your financial goals. Create a budget and stick to it. This can help you to better manage your finances and avoid unnecessary expenses. Be prepared for unexpected situations and have a plan in place for emergency situations. This can be done by having insurance, creating an emergency fund, and having a plan for unexpected expenses. Lastly, it's important to seek professional advice if you're uncertain about your financial situation. A financial advisor can help you to better understand your options and develop a plan that works for your unique circumstances. The crypto market has been gaining a lot of attention in recent years, as more and more people look to invest in digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The market can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly, but for those who are willing to take on the risk, the potential for high returns can be very attractive. When it comes to investing in the crypto market, there are three main time frames to consider: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Each of these time frames has its own set of risks and rewards, and it's important to understand the differences before making any investment decisions. Short-term investments in the crypto market are characterized by quick trades and fast returns. These types of investments are best suited for those who are comfortable with high levels of risk and have a good understanding of the market. They can be highly profitable, but they also come with a high level of volatility and can be risky. Medium-term investments in the crypto market are characterized by holding digital currencies for a period of several months to a year. These types of investments are best suited for those who are comfortable with some level of risk, but who also want to see some returns on their investment. They can be a good way to get started in the crypto market, and they tend to be less volatile than short-term investments. Long-term investments in the crypto market are characterized by holding digital currencies for several years or more. These types of investments are best suited for those who are comfortable with a lower level of risk and who are looking for long-term growth. They tend to be less volatile than short-term or medium-term investments, and they can provide a steady stream of returns over time. When it comes to investing in the crypto market, it's important to have a clear understanding of your risk tolerance and investment goals. It's also important to do your research and to invest in a variety of digital currencies to diversify your portfolio. Additionally, it's also important to set stop losses, to have a good knowledge of the technical analysis, and to keep an eye on the market news. In conclusion, investing in the crypto market can be a great way to build wealth, but it's important to understand the risks and to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for taking the time to view our content. We value your feedback and would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to leave a comment. Additionally, please consider following us for future updates and informative content.